In this video, I'm going to compare the iPhone 12 with the Galaxy Note 20. So the iPhone 12 was released in 2020, while the Galaxy Note 20 was also released in 2020. The iPhone 12 started at a price of $800. Galaxy Note 20 starts off at $1,000. Both of these phones have the capability of 5G speeds. For the overall size, the iPhone 12 is 5.7 inches tall, 2.8 inches wide, 0.29 inches thick. Note 20 is 6.3 inches tall, 2.9 inches wide, 0.33 inches thick. So the overall bigger device is the Note 20. For the weight, the iPhone 12 weighs 5.7 ounces. The Note 20 weighs 6.77 ounces. Build quality, the iPhone 12 has a glass front, glass back, aluminum frame. Note 20 has a glass front, plastic back. Both of these phones have eSIM capabilities, so that means you don't have to get a physical SIM card. You can activate service right on the phone, and also have the ability to have two phone numbers, two data services at the same time. The iPhone 12 has IP68 dust and water resistance, so that's good for 6 meters in water for 30 minutes. The Note 20 is also IP68 dust and water resistant up to 1.5 meters for 30 minutes. Standout feature of the Note 20 is that it has a stylus. For the display, the iPhone 12 has a Super Retina 6.1 inch display. The Note 20 has a Super AMOLED Plus display at 6.7 inches. So the overall bigger screen is going to be the Note 20. The iPhone 12 has 86% screen to body ratio. The Note 20 has 89% screen to body ratio. So overall, bigger screen and more screen takes up the front of the device on the Note 20. Resolution, the iPhone 12 is 1170 by 2532, which translates to 460 ppi. The Note 20 has 1080 by 2400 resolution, which translates to 393 ppi. So the higher resolution screen is the iPhone 12. Bonus on the Galaxy Note 20 screen that it has an always-on display. Software-wise, the iPhone 12 has the newest iOS 14 software, while the Note 20 had launched with Android 10, but it is running the newest Android 11 with Samsung One UI on top. Both of these phones should get several updates in the future. And obviously with iOS, you're going to get iMessage, FaceTime, AirDrop, iMovie. And with the Note 20, you have all the customizable and feature-rich things that Samsung gives you in its software. And also you have that stylus, which you can draw on to add functionality. iPhone 12 for the chipset is rocking the A14 Bionic, while the Note 20 has the Qualcomm Snapdragon 865. Both of these are very powerful chipsets, and they will be good for several years. These will make your device feel very snappy. Apps will run really fast, open up really fast, and this should be good for a few years, no problem. For the internal storage, the iPhone 12 starts off at 64 gigs, Note 20 starts off at 128 gigs. So you have more storage in the base model with the Note 20. For the RAM, the iPhone 12 has 4 gigs. The Note 20 has 8 gigs of RAM. Both of these amounts of RAM are very good for their operating system, and there should be no problem holding apps in the background. For the camera system, the iPhone 12 has 2 cameras in the back, 12 megapixel main camera, 12 megapixel ultra wide. Note 20 has 3 cameras set up. 12 megapixel main camera, 64 megapixel telephoto, 12 megapixel ultra wide. And the iPhone 12 can shoot video up to 4K. The Note 20 can shoot up to 8K video. Both of these phones have great camera systems. You will take great pictures and videos, no problem. They're the best of the best. You won't be disappointed with either one. For the selfie camera, the iPhone 12 has a 12 megapixel shooter, Note 20, 10 megapixel shooter, and they both shoot in 4K. Again, very good selfie cameras. Both of these phones are rocking stereo speakers, but neither have the headphone jack. Both of these phones are rocking Bluetooth 5.0, which will work with connecting to your wireless devices such as your wearables, your smartwatches, your smart bands, your wireless headphones, and speakers. The iPhone 12 is rocking the Lightning port for charging, while the Galaxy Note 20 has the USB Type-C charger. That one's more versatile. It's on more devices such as laptops such as Chromebooks, MacBooks, Windows PCs, tablets such as the iPad and Android tablets, so just a more versatile port. For security and unlocking, the iPhone 12 uses Face ID. The Note 20 has a under-the-display fingerprint reader. A little bonus on the Galaxy Note 20 is that it has DeX, which basically means you could use your phone as a desktop experience when you connect it to a monitor, either wirelessly or physically connected. Both phones are rocking NFC, which basically is mostly used for payment systems. Last but not least is the battery. The iPhone 12 has a 2,800 milliamp battery. That Galaxy Note 20 has a 4,300 milliamp battery. Both of these offer fast charging, 20 watt fast charging on the iPhone 12, 25 watt on the Note 20. You can charge these devices very quickly. The iPhone 12 can charge 50% in 30 minutes. So it should be almost the same on the Galaxy Note 20. You also get MagSafe magnetic charging on the iPhone 12. The Note 20 has wireless charging at 15 watts and reverse wireless charging at 4.5 watts for your Samsung Watch and Samsung Buds, for example. Overall, both of these have okay battery life. If I had to give this if I had to pick between these two, I say maybe the iPhone 12 will last a little bit more because iOS uses battery very efficiently, even at 2,800 milliamps. The Note 20 is a little bit disappointing because 5G phones require lots of juice. You probably will get through most of the day with this at 4,300 milliamps. I've seen phones that are lower priced, and I like to see them start off at 5,000 milliamps. But luckily, both of these phones offer some type of fast charging. So in conclusion, which is the better phone? Which one should you get? Overall, it's your preference. Both of these are very powerful cell phones. They are flagship devices. Obviously, the Galaxy Note 20 is a bigger device if you like a bigger screen, if you like a stylus, if you like just a nice camera system with Android on it, that's going to be your go-to phone. If you like a big display with Android and 5G and you like the stylus, the iPhone 12 is a great choice. You're saving a little bit of money over the $1,000 Galaxy Note 20, and you also get Apple's unique features such as iMessage, FaceTime, AirDrop, iMovie, just to name a few. And it's going to get several years of updates, probably at least 5, while the Note 20 gets maybe around 3 or 4 years of updates. But overall, both of these will be very, very good with the camera systems. But if I had to choose, it's kind of a tie because I guess it depends on your preference of Android with a stylus or iPhone with a great, powerful array of updates and software. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.